Mines of Spain Recreation Area is another one of Iowa's hidden gems. It lies just south of Dubuque along the Mississippi River. The area contains many diverse hiking trails, beautiful views of the Mississippi River, and excellent opportunities to learn about the history and geology of the Dubuque area. A great place to start your visit is the Julian Dubuque Monument. It is a small tower housing the remains of Julian Dubuque and offers great views of the river valley below. It's also a great spot to branch off onto some of the shorter hiking trails in the area. While all the hiking trails are nice and worth your time, the trail that keeps me coming back is the Horseshoe Bluff Trail. It's really short, but because it winds through 3 different levels of an old surface mine, it offers one of the most unique hiking opportunities in the state. If you've never hiked the Horseshoe Bluff Trail, put it on your list of things to do. The second level is technically a loop trail. We went up the eastern, more dangerous side that has steep wood steps and sheer cliffs right next to the hiking trail. On the west side, however, you can take a ramp up to the second level. It's a little bit easier and, in my opinion, safer if you have young kids. There's still drop-offs, but it doesn't seem to be as treacherous as the other side. Whichever side you take, you're going to end up at an open clearing on the second level, and if you head north from there, you'll find the rocky steps leading up to the third level.